This is Steve. Steve's an average guy, proud to be a husband and father of 4 young men. Steve enjoys playing golf, riding his bike, walking his dog, playing sports, and relaxing at night watching Netflix with his wife. But most importantly, Steve loves to spend time with his family. Steve wakes up every day, gets ready, and drives to his mundane job. He repeats this every day to provide for his family because he wants to take care of them. Deep down, Steve knows that his work was meant to be inspirational, not mundane. He dreams of living life on his own terms, not someone else's. He wants more time to offer his wife and kids. He needs financial freedom to create memorable experiences with his family. He likes nice things, but measures luxury with life experiences rather than possessions. Steve is an excellent teacher and feels best when his lessons impact the lives of others with similar aspirations. One day, while walking his dogs, Steve's thoughts of starting his own business changed from daydreaming into unwavering inspiration. Lightning had struck. He had heard stories of people who've started online businesses, and they were living the life he wanted to live. Steve immediately began to study and study and study even more. He bought course after course trying to find the perfect business. He wrote a blog. He started Pinterest. He tried Instagram and Twitter and even TikTok. Night after night, Steve tossed and turned because he felt that nothing was working and he was just chasing shiny objects, wasting his and his family's.
I gotta send an email.
This continued for months. One day, while watching YouTube videos, Steve came across someone who showed him how to create an automated business that could generate money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even while he was sleeping. There was one problem. Steve would have to start a YouTube channel. Steve was deathly afraid of being on camera. He resisted and resisted, but Steve finally relented and decided to just give it a try. He stared at the camera for at least 30 minutes before hitting the record button, but he finally did, and he posted his first video. And it got 2 views. Feeling rejected but determined, he posted another, and another, and another, and all of them got little to no views. Steve was feeling frustrated and just wanted to quit. But one morning he woke up and started his day like any other. As he was brushing his teeth, Steve read his email and saw that his video had made $150. $150 from one of his videos he had made 3 weeks earlier. That was it. Steve was hooked, because if he could make $150, why not $500 or $1,000 or more? Months later, Steve now loves making videos, writing emails, and building his new business. Now Steve sleeps peacefully at night, dreaming of his next YouTube video where he can help people learn how it's possible to make that first $150 and beyond. If you identify with Steve's story and you too want to have time and financial freedom, then subscribe to his channel where you will discover how to create your own YouTube money-making business. And if you want to start now, watch this next video.